Hello there, Fern the Fan friends, and welcome to Crystal Lake, New Hampshire. I am up to my neck in water, as you can see. We are having a great time, and I say we, it's me, myself, and I. I am having a great time here at Crystal Lake. It is 90 degrees outside, and I don't know what the water is, but it feels so nice. Now, when I say I am up to my neck in issues, well, some interesting things have happened at Fern the Fan lately, and I'm going to tell you about it. Stick around. Hello there, Fern the Fan friends, and welcome to this week's episode, coming to you from the home state where I am now in Arizona. As you have heard or suspected from the intro to this video, there is something going on that we need to talk about. As you have noticed over the last year or two, my lovely assistant and I have been visiting out east in the great state of New Hampshire. Just to let you know, we have decided, and everything has just kind of happened all of a sudden really fast. We are actually moving everything from our home state here in Arizona to the great state of New Hampshire. Now, what does that mean to you, my fans? That means, although you've waited a few weeks here for this video, I wanted to let you know that even though my lovely assistant and I are moving, we are going to finish this camper build. It's going to take us probably a few months in order to get out there, get settled and everything. So please bear with us. We'd love to have you please go ahead and hit that little bell thing that lets you know that when we're going to be back online. I'm assuming it's going to probably be 2, maybe 3 months. We just have a lot of things to do out there and during the move and everything. Before I'm going to have any time to get back to building our trailer. And we would love to have you fans come along with us. So please hit that little like button and or bell so you'll know when we come back online. Now, it's been very exciting. This is a new phase for us, but don't worry, Osha Dog and Yellow Dog will be coming with us. And also we're taking, of course, the trailer with us. So the plan forward is this. What I need to do is I'm trying to get everything put on the trailer that I can in order to have it transported across the country. I am not going to be pulling it because it's 2,650 miles on an untested trailer. I'm going to have it transported professionally so that it gets there, hopefully professionally, so we can just pick up from day one and get stuff rolling on it and get it put together. So I have done a few things. Let's spin you around here. As you can see here, I've taken the time to put insulation within our little frame members here. So it now has 1-inch rigid insulation throughout the walls on this side, the other side, and I did insulate from about here down to about here on the front. And then I ran out of insulating board, so that'll just have to wait until I get out east. The other fun thing that I did, and I'll show you how I did it, but one other thing we did is on the interior. As you can see here, I went ahead and I added our latches to the door. I added our fun little hinges. And so those are very fun and exciting. The one thing that I am going to need to do is I'm going to need to put a backer so that when the door is shut, it doesn't get pushed through. So we need a little piece of block here. And again, I'll add that on when we pick up the project in a few months. I went ahead and I added our lower doors here, and the upper door back there. And now we're going to go ahead and add the 3 doors to the kitchenette area. So the first thing we need to do in order to put our hinges and our latches on is to find the right door to match up to the hole. Okay, so on this door we have decided we're going to put the hinges on this side and our latch right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll take the door, try not to ruin it in the process, and we're going to take it over here to a softer countertop. I think I showed you these a while back, but what we've chosen to be for our hinges are these right here. Kind of a classic look, I think, of the 20s, 30s, 40s. I think it'll work good. And what we're going to do is we are going to just attach them to our door. And get my thumb out of the way. We're going to attach them to our door, something like that. And then we're going to line it up. This edge here will line up to the tip, same as on the bottom here. Now how are we going to do that? Well, I found this really nifty tool. And what it is there is a drill bit down inside of here. And this here is spring loaded. It's spring loaded so that you can see the tip of the drill bit that comes out. This little edge here is kind of concaved. And so what that does is that little concave sits in this little cave here, and then it pushes it through. See right there? Nope, there we go. So you can see the drill bit as it comes through. And that gives that way our screws are lined up right smack dab in the middle of our hinge holes. So let's go ahead and we'll mark. We're not going to mark, we're just going to go ahead and drill these hinge holes and attach our hinges. Hinge hole hinges. The way to make holier. Never mind. All right, let's just line this bad boy up right there. That's going to be beautiful. We're just going to put our first one in. And we really don't want to go very deep. We're just going deep enough to where it won't split the wood. And we'll put our screw in there. All right, there is our first hinge. I've lined it up so the barrel is right down the center of that. We'll go ahead and put these other screws in, and then I'll put the hinge on this side, and we'll get right back to you. Here's our little latch here, little turny, like an attorney. No, hopefully we won't need any lawyers for this. Bad joke, sorry. All right, so we're gonna stick that right about there. Actually, we're gonna measure it. And we're going to, that is 11, so we want that to be at 5.5 in the center. So we're going to go ahead, do the same thing with our little pointy drill. Put that tight. Then we'll put all 4 little screws in there. Let's go ahead and take our door over to the trailer and we'll attach it. All right, so we need just to raise our door just slightly. So we're going to use this little piece of cardboard as a wedge. We'll stick it right there. And then we'll go ahead and attach the bottom hinge. Using our same method of setting a pilot hole and then screwing it in place. And we'll push that forward so we have a nice gap all the way around. Do our pilot hole there. All right. Beautiful door swings just awesomely. Again, on these, we're going to have to do some sort of a little back piece in here to keep the door from pushing in. But for now, that's great. I'm going to finish putting these other 2 screws in, finish adding these doors, and we'll be right back so you can see the finished product. All right, here we have it. We've added our fun little doors here and there. It's been a quick little project today, but I think the trailer is coming along muy beautiful, which means really good. And so that is it from Fur and the Fan. Come back. We'll see you in a few months. We're going to go ahead and we're going to wrap up this whole project. Thank you again for being our favorite fans and for watching us over these last couple of years. Please come back. Please come back and we'll finish this project together. See you in the fall.